We are ShelterDogStrong, and today...
Thank you, yes.
we have little Miss Venus. Good job, sweetie. Good job. He has a smile.
Miss, there we go.
Not a super fan. Hey, you want your coffee? Hi, baby. Hi, sweet girl. What are you doing?
What's all that? You need any of that?
No.
Venus, you need 2 tires?
No.
Good job, honey.
Glitters everywhere. She's like gets like rocks by her neck.
Yeah.
Where are we, V?
We hit the store. What do you want to do?
We are ShelterDogStrong, and today, I poke her in the eyeball. We have little Venus. She's the dog of the week, too, or the month. I forgot what they do. Week? Do you know what they do?
I think is it week or month?
We should know this. Oh well. Ready to go meet some friends, baby? V's been here for a while. I think she's like 4 years, 5 years. Venus was found as a stray, and like her chip her chip led her to an owner who said that either they didn't want her anymore or pretended they didn't know who she was or something. I don't know. So here she is 5 years later, 4 years later. Whatever, we're going to Lowe's. I can't wait her chunky little donkey. She got chunky donkey. Let V have her time. What's in there?
Hi, baby.
Are you in the house? Let's go. She is handling everything very well. It's a lot for her at the same time, but she's okay. She seems a little overwhelmed by everything, which is fair. She's been at the rescue for years. So we're just following her, and she's just enjoying the walk and the sniffs. Not that stuff. Oh no, let's not sniff cement. That's not gonna go good for anyone. So we're making, this is just V's little trip. Nice and slowly though. Yeah, V. What is happening, V? What is that? Oh, I don't like it. Okay. What is this crazy stuff?
Oh, come on, man.
What is this crazy stuff? Huh? You're crazy. Yeah. Oh, look at that tail. Yeah, she like is a little bean and like ends up headbutting on accident. I'm gonna say 6-ish. She's been at the rescue for 4 years. So
She's a good girl.
She's a good girl. Yeah, she loves people. Aw, thanks for saying hi. Good girl, yeah. What are we doing? Go again? Okay.
You too.
Oh, you too. Aw.
Come on, go.
It's okay. She's the perfect height if you have one of these fridges. You're not going to hit her head on anything. So, Venus approved. This is my tail. No matter when I take her out, there's always this like beam of sun that goes right over her. Hey, want sips? Thank you.
Girl.
Ooh. Oh, she takes so gentle. Ooh, I love them. Thank you. Oh, bird tail. She's so gentle. I always feel like I'm saying Sargento. Sit down with some sips. I'd like some more, please. I found them.
V.
Oh, hi, baby.
Yeah, baby.
I felt your little foot in my butt.
She's like sitting right next to me.
That's okay. Oh, yeah, we can
Yeah,
stay right
just
here.
so you know where she was.
That's fine. My baby.
Every time you guys saw something else,
It's okay. Lovey, what's this? Whoa. You can have that. What do you think, little V? Do you like that, or I'm not sure?
She's so gentle about it.
She's so gentle. She's not too sure about the dairy. She's watching her waistline. We're doing more nuggies. Want to try again? I'm not too sure of it. That's okay.
Your kisses smell like coconuts now.
I do like these though, so I will take these. Okay. And she's so polite about it. V, can you sit? Thank you, Angel. So little Miss V was found in a park. I don't know. She was found somewhere and her microchip got scanned, and the person who answered the microchip, who was registered to it, made up some story about V being brought to a shelter or not, or I guess they didn't want her anymore, or lied about the fact that she was theirs or something. So V's been waiting at the rescue now for 4 years. I think in her heyday, she was an escape artist, or like looked to jump fences and stuff, which she can do. But if she's not bored and left outside for hours and like has nothing to do with her time, she's not going to do that. I think she has to be an only pet, but I don't, again, that too, I don't know if that subsided a little bit, and she has to be with the right animal, with the right people. I don't know, but she's stuck. She's so stuck at the rescue. It sucks. Then she found the nuggets again. She goes, yeah, give me the chicken. Take the chunkin. You can have more, I don't care.
Oh, you're so cute.
She's so cute. She's probably like...
She almost sat in the bowl of water.
Did she? She's probably like 6 at this point or something, maybe 7. You gotta chew that first. She loves the nuggets. I love them, I do. Well done.
They're alive.
Well done.
I know where they are.
She's like stunning. It just sucks. I mean, it doesn't matter what she looks like, but are you sitting on me? Look at you, mice goes. Ooh. Ooh. That's why she's like a little spring pole. She went doing. Who's that? Hey, you beautiful little V. Oh. Have I trained him well or what? God, she found him again. Do you think it's too much? Is she gonna get sick? Oh, she's gonna roll down the hill. You're gonna roll down the hill.
Ooh, let's stick that.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Well, that's the first.
She's very content just like sitting with her people. Like you could tell she's not bored. She's like, this is cool. I can do this. Great people watcher. Oh, thank you. Don't let her roll out of that one.
No, I got the hardest. I just found the spot.
You could do what you did before, baby. I'll go on the other side. Hey, Vivi. Hey, girl.
Good.
There she goes. She gets excited. Well, actually, not even when she gets excited. She tends to like jump up real quick and like headbutt you in the face when she tries to kiss you, and we're used to it. But like, she's the perfect dog for us. We could take her on a walk and like, oh, you want to say hi to my dog? Yeah, sure. Boink, out. See you later, humans. We're gonna have her knock the Amazon drivers out. They're like, oh, she's so cute. Dunk. Just kidding. We're not selling anything from Amazon. We're gonna get gold to her anyway. Another one. She's great in the car. Great.
staying in the back.
She's gonna console surf. Good job, V. Oh, she's so cute. Ooh, when her ears go back, she looks just like rocks. Oh, I know. We're back. Back we go, girlfriend. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go.